Hi students, hi Sandeep, this is class 2nd. In this class, I am going to teach computer chapter number 6, Introduction to Paint. Before starting chapter, this is first class after the new year, so I wish you a happy new year. Hope this new year bring so many new things in your life. And now we are going to start a chapter, Introduction to Paint. Students, when you are doing drawing, making anything on paper, on that time you need pencil, razor, sharpener and all these things. But in computer, if we need to draw all anything, then what things we need? Of course we will use same thing. Then if we use same thing, then you will be thinking that how will put a computer in computer pencil, razor and all things. But these things, it will be available in this software. The name of this software is Paint. Okay, like this screen you will get when you will open. This is actually main screen of the Paint window. Here this is pencil, color is there, text for writing, this is razor, pen tool, this zoom tool, brush and different shapes are there. So this, with the help of these tools, we can draw anything. This, and if we want to put any shape, then with the help of these shapes we can put any shape. What are the steps to open Paint window? Very easy. In first class we done steps. I know it was in your practical. There are steps to open Paint window. Now here also I am going to repeat. First, click on Start, click on All Program, click on Accessory and click on Paint. When we follow these steps, then we will get a window like this. When we follow these steps, and we will get this window. This is Paint window. And next, what the work we can draw and what are the buttons, what are the tools. If we know the tools, then it will be easy for us, then we can use it properly. Next, these are the tools: maximize, minimize, close, scroll button. And for this, first is, this is Paint program. Then quick access, the tool which we are using quickly. This is the main menu. This is the ribbons. This is bar is coming, ruler bar is coming to see the scales, horizontal scroll, status, toolbars, and then scroll bar, vertical scroll bar is there. This is area where we can type the things, where we can draw the things. And these are the buttons. In your book, page number 49, maximize a window, minimize a window and closing a window. First, what is the use of minimize? If you want to minimize any window, then there is this button. You can look in this cursor, minimize. When we press this minimize, it will go down. That means it will come on the taskbar. And again, if you want to put, then we have to put here restore or maximize button. And if you want to close permanently, then this cross button is there. We can put it close. By this, we will close anything permanently. Next, and again, as I told you in starting, this is pencil, this is fill. Fill means if you want to fill color, then this is text area from the A. If we press A, then we will start text area. This is razor. If any mistake is there, with the help of razor tool, you can rub as normally we are using in our drawing. With the help of razor, we can rub here in this software also. Next, color picker. If you want to select color from one place to another, then color picker is used. Magnifier for zoom, and this is brush and basic shapes. Pencil shapes are different, then color box is different. These are the tools. This is drawing area where we can draw our thing. Next, these are another tools: pencil tool, rub, this razor, text, rubber, magnifier. Okay, these are tools. Next, what is the use of tools? I told you, if we want to start anything, for this we need tools. I introduced the tools from the you are very familiar with the pencil. When you are nursery class, you are starting, you are using pencil. With the help of this pencil tool, when we click on pencil, okay, like this, it will be selected, and we can start drawing with the help of pencil tool. Like here 9 is there and you can draw anything. For example, I put 9. Next, eraser. Suppose if you done any mistake on the notebook also, if you done any mistake you can rub with the help of a pencil, you can rub with the help of a razor. Okay, same like this, if we make any mistake, then in this software we can also use razor. We have to select the razor. What are the steps to select the razor? Click on home, click on razor, select the size of the razor, then select the width of the razor, drag it on your drawing area where you want to rub. Okay, click on home, click on razor, click on size, select the width of the razor and rub in which portion you want to remove. This is the use of eraser tool. Next, we are having shape tools. Suppose if you want to draw, this is on your book page number 53. You can use shape group in the paint, drawing different type of shapes like rectangle, oval, triangle, arrow, etc. Then what do we use? How we can draw a shape? So very easy. First we have to click on home, shape, select the shape which you want to draw. Like in your book page number 54, we are used here line tool. Okay, we have to select here line tool, then select the size, which size you want. Different size are there, different width is there. You can select the size according to your selection. Then if after selecting the size, select the width and drag the mouse to draw line any direction. In which direction you want to draw line, you can use mouse and drag this, and with the help of this you will get a line. Next, we are having rectangle tool. Okay, rectangle tool, it is also one of kind of shape. How you can select? Click on the home tab, click on the rectangle, click on the size box, select the width of line, drag the mouse to make the rectangle. And this is also same like line we can drag. We first have to select the area, in which area you want to put your rectangle. Next, we are having another shape, that is oval. This shape is used to draw circle, oval shape. Click on home, click on oval tool, click on the size, select the width, drag the mouse to make oval or circle. Next, if you have to draw this circle, you have to draw this oval shape. Now again we want to put color. As you can look in the page, different shapes are there and it is color is there in this shape. Then what are the steps to put color? So very easy. As click on home, click on the file, fill with color. This is the box, fill with the color. In starting I gave you introduction about this box. Then click on the color one. Click any color, you can select any color and you can put, like here in first arrow I put green, then this blue, red and yellow. These are the different colors. Same colors you can use according to your choice. Next, round rectangle. First we put a rectangle, now it is round rectangle. Then from the shape tool, you can draw a round rectangle with the help of this tool. Click on the home, click on the round rectangle, select the size, select the width and drag the mouse and make the round rectangle. You have to select the area, in which area you want your rectangle, and you have to drag this mouse and you will get a shape like this as it is showing in your screen. Next, polygon tool. You can use this tool to make the shape with any number of the sides. Any number of sides we are using the tool. This tool name is polygon. Click on home tab, click on any polygon shape, click on size, select the width of line, press the left and drag the mouse, release the mouse button to make a line and click anywhere on the drawing page. A line will appear attached to the previous line. Okay, as told you that if you want to make different number of shapes, okay, shape with any number of sides, for this we use polygon. Okay, then we have to repeat repeat the 7 step, make the final shape. Now click on the starting point and you will get a proper shape. Okay, this is the step to use a polygon tool. Next, curve tool. As in the circle there is arc, same like this. If you want to make a curve, then this is also one of your shape tool. We have to select on the shape tool, click on the home, click on the curve from the shape tool, select the size. Now drag the mouse and make a line. Now click on the line and drag to make a curve. First we have to draw, again we have to drag with the help of mouse, and then we will get a curve as it is showing in your screen. Next, text tool. This is a very important tool. Okay, with the help of text you can write your name, your father name, your friend name. Okay, any name you can type with the help of text tool. It is also very easy. Then from the toolbox we have to select, you can write a paint, you can write in paint window with the help of these tools. Okay, from the tools we have to select on text tool, like click on home tab, click on text tool, drag the mouse pointer in drawing, a text box will appear, the cursor blinking on it, type the text that you want. Like if you want your name, your friend name, you can type a particular name and you will get a name on the screen. Next, saving image. In your book page number 49, what are the steps to saving image? While drawing your image, you can save it side by side for future use. Okay, if you want to show this picture to your friend or relative, then for this we can use save option, because we want to show this. Save is used for future use only. Then what are the steps? Click on the file button. Okay, as it is showing, click on the file button, click on the save. Circle is there on the save. That means you have to follow this step. First circle is on this save, then this second is another save. Then give the name of your file. Like you can give the name of your file, type name, then give the location also, in which location you want to save, and you have to finally you have to click here. This my cursor is showing save button. Okay, when you will get when you follow these steps, and your image will be saved automatically. For this one shortcut key is there, as it is showing Control plus S. Okay, this is the shortcut key for saving the things. With the help of shortcut key you can do your work fast and easily. Next, opening image. Next we are having opening image. For this it's very easy, because this I am going to cover in next video. Opening image, click on file, then click on the menu where your file is saved, and select the location, in which location your file is there, and click on OK button, and you will get your video, you will get your image on the screen. Now student, there is exercise page number 60. First, dash program is used to draw and color object. Which program, with the help of which program we are using, we can draw? The correct answer is paint. From the options we have to use MS Paint. Dash tool is draw straight line. With the help of line tool you have to, this is tick the correct answer. First is MS Paint. Dash tool is used to draw straight line. Line tool. Dash tool contain all the box. Which tool contain all the box? Toolbox. Which tool is used to write your name within your drawing? Just now I explained you here. This is text tool. Now different shapes is given to you, page number 61. B exercise, write the name of the following tools. First tool is curve tool. This tool just now I used. Next, A is, you are familiar with this. With the help of this we are writing name, that is text tool. Then rectangle tool, then polygon tool. Then true false is there. You cannot type text in program, it is false, because we can write our name, our friend name. Over tool is used to delete the drawing. No. Eraser tool is used to delete a drawing. Polygon tool is used to draw rectangle. Yes, we can use with the help of polygon tool. Curve tool is draw a straight line. False, because for straight line we can use line tool only. Next question answer is there. What is the use of shape tool? Shape group is used to draw different kind of shapes. Okay, with the help of shape tool we can draw different kind of shapes, like oval shape is there, rectangle, circle, any shape we can use. What is the use of fill with color tool? Fill with the color tool is used to fill all color in your drawing. Suppose you have finished your drawing. Here I explained this, I finished. Now I want to fill this color in this. For this, fill with color tool is used to fill color in your drawing. The name of this tool is fill with the color. Next, again exercise is there, page number 62. Dash is, this is actually jumble word, this is actually blanks. Dash present at the top of paint window, that is color box. Color box is present at the top of paint window. Dash is used to erase any drawing. Which tool we are using for erasing? Eraser tool. Dash is used to draw wavy line. Pencil tool. With the help of pencil tool we can draw wavy line. Dash is used to make circle. With the help of oval shape we can use circle. We can make circle. So this is all about your exercise. Thank you for watching this video.